Did you know that your gut is home to a vast network of immune cells known as gut associated lymphoid tissue, or GALT? This incredible system plays a crucial role in keeping our immune system strong and our bodies healthy. So, let's dive into some delicious foods that can help support your GALT and keep your gut thriving. First up, let's talk about probiotic rich foods. These are the friendly bacteria that can help balance your gut microbiome. Think yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods like sauerkraut and kimchi. Incorporating these into your diet can enhance your gut health and boost your immune response. Just a few spoonfuls of yogurt in the morning can make a big difference. Next, we have prebiotic rich foods. These are the fibers that feed those good bacteria in your gut. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas are fantastic sources of prebiotics. Adding these to your meals not only supports your gut health, but also helps with digestion and nutrient absorption. Imagine a hearty garlic and onion soup or a fresh banana smoothie, so tasty and beneficial. Now, let's not forget about anti-inflammatory foods. Chronic inflammation can harm your gut and overall health. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds can help combat inflammation. And don't overlook the power of colorful fruits and vegetables. Berries, leafy greens, and sweet potatoes are packed with antioxidants that can support your gut and keep inflammation at bay. Spices can also play a role here. Turmeric, for example, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Adding a sprinkle of turmeric to your dishes can not only enhance flavor, but also provide a health boost. Try it in a warm curry or mixed into a smoothie for a golden touch. Hydration is key too. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain the mucosal lining of the gut, which is essential for gut function. So, keep that water bottle handy throughout the day. As you explore these foods, remember that variety is crucial. A diverse diet rich in different nutrients can help create a balanced gut environment. So, mix and match your meals and don't be afraid to try new recipes. Before you go, here's a little nugget of wisdom. A healthy gut can lead to a healthier you, both physically and mentally. If you found this information helpful, consider liking this video, subscribing for more tips, or sharing your favorite gut-friendly foods in the comments below. Your gut will thank you.